Comes a Madison corner. This is how to get your pop-off done. So for the pop-off mixture, you need 5 major ingredients, which is your flour, all-purpose flour, not just any flour. For this particular recipe, you need your instant yeast, you need your sugar, you need your salt, and you need warm water. So 5 ingredients. The last one is going to come inside when you want to fry it, which is pepper. You're not going to mix pepper with it now. It's later that when you want to fry it, that is when you add your pepper into it. So for this particular recipe, you don't overmix. When you know that everything is well incorporated, then you stop mixing. So let's dive into it. You add in your sugar, adding your sugar, you're adding your yeast. Make sure it is an instant yeast, instant dry yeast. You're adding your salt, then you're adding your water. It's not ordinary water, it's not room temperature, it's warm water. Then you mix it, and you mix it very well. Then you add in your water. Don't overmix. And see the consistency you're going to get for pop-off. That's the consistency. Do you get it? So as it is now, just cover it with cling film. Cover it with cling film. Cover it very well with cling film and put it in a warm place and let it relax for 30-45 minutes. Then your pop-off batter is ready. So as I said earlier, cover it with cling film like this, and if you know that you have a bowl that has cover like this, cover it and keep it in a warm place for the pop-off batter to rise for a good minute of 30 or 45 minutes. Then your batter is ready to fry. So thank you. Our pop-off. So this is our pop-off batter. So you pour your pepper inside. Then you pour your pepper inside like this. Then you mix it together. fry to your desired size. So the samosa.